All right, this image here may seem beautiful, right? But astronomers say it is absolutely terrifying. That brightly lit object is called a planet killer. It's a massive asteroid orbiting near Earth. It's more than a mile wide and until now had been undetected.
The eyes of the world today stunned by this image. This was debris from a meteor racing toward Earth, streaking across the sky there, crashing into the ground in those woods. And look at some of the other images emerging tonight. The cloudy trail the meteor produced, and on impact, this, carving a little pool into a frozen lake.
Humans have always been fascinated with space and the objects that arrive from it. Many metals, including platinum, rhodium, germanium, and even iron, are believed to have arrived from space. And much of these materials reach Earth via meteorites, which exist naturally in space. However, certain artifacts, objects that are believed to have been created by someone, have also hit the Earth from space. Some believe that aliens might have a role in creating these objects, but the claim is yet to be scientifically validated. Artifact or not, these objects are certainly not ordinary meteorites. The geometries, materials, and how they hit the Earth are mysterious. So, stay with us as we bring you some of the mysterious objects that have arrived from outer space. On April 23, 2019, Aguas Zarcas, a resident of a suburb in Costa Rica, spotted a large fireball in the sky. Like all meteorites, it broke into pieces when it entered the atmosphere, and a small piece from it crashed into the roof of a house. Initial reports revealed that the piece belongs to a rare group of meteorites known as carbonaceous chondrites. Such rocks are rich in water and organic substances. About 80 to 95% of carbonaceous chondrites rock is clay, which warrants immediate collection before the rain takes them away. In contrast to other meteorites that are rich in metal, carbonaceous chondrites are rich in organic molecules such as amino acids. It is also believed that minerals in these rocks can synthesize carboxylic acid, which along with amino acids forms RNA alone. Furthermore, carbonaceous chondrites make up just 3% of the total meteorites that hit the Earth. This rock was collected and taken to labs for further testing. Hypatia is the first known specimen of a comet nucleus found on Earth. It is a small stone that was discovered by an archaeologist named Aly A. Barkat in 1996 during fieldwork. The archaeologist found the stone despite a smaller size because of its unusual shine and darker color. Several studies concluded that the stone has an extraterrestrial origin. A recent publication has revealed that the stone likely originated in the aftermath of a rare supernova explosion. The composition of Hypatia stone remains a mystery for scientists. Some believe it was a part of a larger meteorite, while others conclude it did not have a parent body. The stone's composition includes iodine, phosphide, aluminum, silver, and silicon carbide. But the mystery is it does not resemble the general composition of meteorites or the rocks here on Earth. So whether it came from space or was placed in Egypt by someone is a question that still awaits answers. We are familiar with fossils. They are the remains of life and are often discovered by archaeologists. Well, the paper published in the Journal of Cosmology certainly leans towards that conclusion. It discusses the meteorite that landed in Sri Lanka in December 2012, and several fragments from it were retrieved. Scientists in UK and the US analyzed it and discovered something rather unknown in the meteorites. The electronic microscope images revealed an image described by scientists as highly carbonaceous fossilized biological structures. Another paper was published by the same team, arguing that the fossils resemble a diatom-like organism. Diatoms are no multicellular organisms, but if their fossils are found within meteorites, it certainly means that there is some form of life in outer space. However, there are other scientists who argue otherwise. The most plausible theory is that the meteorite has a terrestrial origin. It could have been propelled into space because of an asteroid hit and must have taken some biological material alongside. Another explanation simply dismisses the structure found within the rock and argues that it does not resemble a fossil. In late 2017, scientists observed a mysterious object tumbling past the sun. The object has unusual features, including high speed, reddish appearance, large size, and unique trajectory. It was evident that the object did not come from our solar system. Furthermore, the acceleration, elongated and flattened shape did not resemble those of comets or asteroids. It is what baffled scientists and invited several researchers. The object was named Oumuamua and is believed to be an alien spacecraft. At least is what a Harvard University team points to. A paper published in the astrophysical journal Letters argues the object may be a fully operational probe sent intentionally to Earth vicinity by an alien civilization, and it is a claim that is supported by mathematical analysis. The team analyzed the speed and the way it passed through space and concluded Oumuamua could be a spacecraft pushed through space by light falling on its surface, or, as they put it in the paper, a light sail of artificial origin. It is not yet clear why and who sent the spacecraft. It is impossible to guess the purpose behind Oumuamua without more data. On March 27, 1974, the Betts family spotted a fireball near their residence in George Island, Florida. The sphere's size, shape, and weight had an uncanny resemblance with a bowling ball and a triangular spot on it. To their surprise, the sphere did not exactly behave like a cannonball. While playing the guitar, a family member noticed that the sphere interacted with the sound and made a throbbing noise. Furthermore, the sphere also rolled and stopped on its own. Realizing that the ball is not ordinary, Terry Betts started experimenting with it. It was found that the sphere reverberates when hit with a hammer. The family decided to take it out to show it to friends and family. And as the object caught media attention, several theories began to circulate. Some also discussed the role of aliens and knowing the objects that have hit the Earth. The possibility cannot be ignored. A Russian miner named Vladivostok discovered this object. While hunting for coal to keep himself warm, Vladivostok noticed a strange metallic object resembling a gear wheel. At first, he believed that it was a common component of a car, but the area where he found it made him curious. The man turned to the scientists for further studies that revealed unexpected results. It was discovered that the object was made up of aluminum, and that too of artificial origin. What's shocking is that it was estimated to be about 300 million years old. Some scientists also vouch that the object has extraterrestrial origin and was probably part of an alien spaceship. The claims have solid reasoning because such metallic objects cannot be explained otherwise. Humans started producing such components for automobiles very recently in the 19th century. However, the object is yet to undergo another series of tests for more findings. And for now, we would have to wait on it. In 2003, a skeleton now goes by the name of Eta was found in a deserted town of Chile's Atacama region. It was an unusual skeleton, and its features perplexed scientists. Some even believe that it belonged to an alien. The skeleton had long, angular skull and slanted eyes, but the most interesting part was it had just 10 ribs. Initially, it was believed to be an ancient skeleton, but further studies revealed it to be just 40 years ago. The DNA from the skeleton could have been extracted, and it is exactly what was done. The genomic studies buried the mysteries as it revealed that the skeleton belonged to a human and not an alien. Unusual features and the missing ribs were explained by a bone-associated mutation. Furthermore, the scientists also believe that the findings from the Eta can help in diagnosis of genetic mutation in living patients. So the hype was not for nothing. Something good has come out of it. We hope this video was fun and entertaining. Stay connected with us to learn more about the fascinating and interesting discoveries made in space. We will see you at the next one.